so today we're talking about treating the calf muscle, particularly the deeper part of the calf, which is the soleus. This is something that people tend to struggle with. It can be quite hard just sort of laying your legs on top of a foam roller and going backwards and forwards. People tend to not get enough pressure in there, or it just doesn't sort of feel right. So the way that I tend to do it is either using the chair, which you use in the office, or you can use a bench in the gym if you're going to do it prior to training. You should take the ball, place it on the chair, sit back. Okay, by doing this and keeping the knee bent, we're not necessarily switching off the calf muscle or the gastroc, but we're just sort of relaxing the muscle, which allows you to get a little bit deeper in there and hit the soleus. Which you work backwards and forwards over the muscle, just like some of the other demonstrations that I've given. We can move the ankle backwards and forwards in order to give you a little bit more stretch through there. If you're feeling really ambitious, you can take your other foot over, just add a little bit more pressure. But good luck with that one, because that could be really, really tender. Okay, so give that one a go, and let me know how you get on. If you've got any questions, just put some comments down for me.